So here we go. We are starting. So you want to decide which side is your top and your bottom. So I usually leave a little bit of a scoop here because on a real canine, this is where they have the bridge on their nose.
Stop, yeah.
Yep. So my eyes are gonna go about here, and then this is gonna be the bridge of my nose. But just kind of keep that in mind as you're going along. And you don't have to get super specific in your armature if you want to use the full 1/4 of the inch.
Laura is saying, I can't tell you how happy it's making me to have the normalcy of a Curious Mondo class right now. Here we are, that's why we're here. And Bella Rose, I love how practical Jenny is. She uses great products and seems to make the process the most user-friendly possible.
Oh, yay, thank you. That is my goal. Okay, I've got a little fleck of something in here. Gonna pick this out. Looks like cardboard or something. But I do have a black kitty, so that's why I brought these tweezers, because you never know when it's gonna sneak in.
Yeah.
So you can usually kind of feel when you're going. A little bit more to the nose, because it always ends up being that way. Okay. So as you can tell, when you're sticking the clay on, you can tell which side is the top and the bottom again. Just because that's how it lines up. So it makes it really easy. Okay, so I'm just trying for a basic shape here. I'm not trying to get fancy yet. We just want basic shapes so we know where our eyes are gonna go and where everything is gonna stand. And this part will be the longest, so get comfy. We may have to probably break and then come back to finish. But.
Yeah.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.